Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day where I dye my hair. I'm nervous for this. I don't know why I'm so nervous like these past few weeks. My piercing is healing well. If you wanna watch a video, I will link it here. I was also nervous for that. For what? It's perfectly fine. So, I mean, my hair dye will probably also be perfectly fine. It's just hair dye. If not, it will wash out. Let me show you what I use. So, Arctic Fox, obviously, because Arctic Fox, I will link another video here where I tried Wrath or Roth. How do you say that? I have no idea. That works best on my reddish brown hair. I have no idea what this is. I mean, it's brown up here and then it goes into red. I have no idea. Darker hair. It works very well on darker hair. I've had some other hair dye before that was okay. I had some other hair dye that didn't work at all, like my Bleach London ones. If you want to watch that, I will also link it here. Horrible. So anyway, they work best on dark hair, and also they are cruelty-free, vegan, smell good. They are semi-permanent. So depending on how your hair is and depending on how much you wash it and what shampoo you use, it will last longer. And also they donate, I think with each purchase they donate like 5 or 10% to end animal cruelty, which I obviously support as well. And I think throughout the whole month of February, they will donate 100% of the bottles to different Australian organizations, because, you know, bushfires are still going on. No one talks about it anymore. It's like with the Amazonian rainforest. Everyone talked about it for like 2 or 3 days and then silence. Okay, so fire is still going on in Australia and they need help. So they will donate 100% of the proceedings. So anyways, they also have different sizes. This is the biggest size. This is Aquamarine. And I have no idea what it looks like. Probably like this. The colors are very, very pigmented and vibrant, and I'm kind of scared of what this looks like. God, come on. I can't. Why can I not open this? Oh my god. Okay, that's darker than I thought it would be. Can you tell? Oh my god. Oh my god, that's gonna be so cool. I think, now I'm not a professional, but I think with my darker hair it would show like a dark bluish tone. Oh my god. Yo, I'm excited for this. Okay, yeah, also my finger now. Okay, bluish green. Turquoise almost. Oh god, it's gonna be so cool. Just let me throw this away. Oh, and the way I do it, I will wash my hair without conditioner, because this, you leave this on for half an hour or even longer, and then wash it out. This acts like a conditioner basically. So I wash my hair with a gentle shampoo, well, or with just the shampoo that I usually use, blow dry it, and then get to work. And I'm very excited. I'm nervous. I mean, I've seen the color now. Oh, I hope it looks good. So let's go. thought it would be blue. Now it's turquoise. Yeah, see, I thought it would be this. Okay, okay. Look at my neck. Oops. Oh, I love this though. Oh my god. Blow drying it. Let me blow dry it. Oh, let me just. I got the Disney words now. Hold on. What about this?